If you want to turn on or turn off your guided access, so first of all, open up your settings. After that, let's scroll down to our accessibility and let's find our guiding access option. There it is. Let's enable it. Now we have our time limit, we have our passcode settings. You can also set up a Face ID, which is quite a great thing. Now to activate our guided access, open up any application. For example, I'll open up my Google Drive and tap 3 times on the power button. So now we shall adjust the area. So we can draw and circle the area which we want to disable, right? Now let's press start. Now you have to enter your passcode, verify your new passcode. Okay, this guided access passcode, of course. And there it is. That's how it works. So now we are logged into an application with these additions. So to exit from this mode, tap on the power icon 3 times again. Now enter your passcode to exit it, press end, and there you are. Now it is ended. And I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day and please consider subscribing to our channel.